Just how powerful is Thor's lightning according to science? So we can calculate this using the equation length of the lightning, or the spark gap, multiplied by 3 million. The best feat we've seen Thor so far with his lightning is back in Avengers, where he bottlenecks Loki's portal by shooting lightning from a tower. I needed a reference point to measure the lightning, so I found a distance between the two towers in this shot, and using that distance, I found the height of the portal beam. Thor would have been shooting at about a 90-degree angle, so I used the Pythagorean theorem, and I found that he's shooting about 122 meters or 400 feet. Plugging that into the equation, we get the voltage Thor outputted at about 1,089,000,000 volts of electricity, which is about 3.5 times a normal flash of lightning, and coincidentally about the same amount of volts that a cloud to ground lightning bolt produces, which makes sense because Thor summoned a lightning strike to be able to shoot this.